Hi, Kajing. This is the Collaborate classroom here. And what I've done is, this is what it'll look like when you log in. You know, you turn your video on, you turn your microphone on, but down here in the right corner, you should just be able to go to this screen right here. This button right here is the share button. That's who's in the class. That's the chat. And this is the share. And it should be as simple as going up and clicking on share the blank whiteboard. That should pop right up. They should be able to see that. Now, you can do actual size, you can zoom in, you can zoom out. This is actual size. And then if you select the pencil, it should let you do and write and type. You select the text and you can tap it over, and I think you're already doing that. You can change the color of the pencil if you want to, but they should be able to see. If they can't see this, that might be a problem on their end, but it should be that simple. So I'm not sure what is happening in your class that they can't see it, but you can also share your application screen. So whatever website you're on, you can do a window or you can do a tab. So I've got all these tabs open, so I could share my forum from week 11 if I wanted to. And if I hit share, now I'm sharing this website with them right now. And then I stop it, and I stop sharing that, and I go back to Blackboard Collaborate. So, and then this is of course where you share the files, where you drop in the PowerPoint files. So I'm not sure why they're not seeing. If you click on that whiteboard, that should automatically be shared with the students, and they should be able to see it. I don't know. I'll troubleshoot a little bit, but that's how you do it. So let me know.